Today we're going to talk about documents and templates in Matter365 and how you can create and manage them. As you know, every Matter has its own Matter documents folder. So for example, for our Matter 96, here's the documents folder containing all of the files and folders added in regard to Matter 96. You can use Matter365 as interface to create new documents, or you can use drag and drop. However, it's important to note that all of these files are actually stored in your Microsoft 365 tenant and not inside of Matter365. So to show this, we can click this button and open this OneDrive library to show all of these same documents. So if we add something new here, it will be displayed in Matter 365 and vice versa. So let's show this. We can create a new Word document now, and this is going to be a blank document. And now if we just refresh this, we can see that this file is appearing now here as well. As you know, this quick access can help you shift between different matters, see what's in other matter libraries, but you will always know where to look for the documents because every matter has its own place for storing them, right? The third option I wanted to show is that you can also sync this whole document library to your PC if you're used to creating and editing documents offline. So if we click the sync button, and sync now, in a few seconds this whole library is going to be available offline. The cloud icon means that this folder is synced to the cloud. The green icon means that it's also downloaded offline because we probably opened something that's in here recently. Yeah, so all of the files can be downloaded, all of the files can be opened, and now if I do some changes here, those changes are automatically going to be saved. As you can see, autosave is on, not just offline, but it's also be synced back to the cloud. So this document, if it's now open on in OneDrive or in Matter365, is going to have these changes we just added. So this is how the documents generally work, but there are also templates. Templates are here to make your work more efficient. For example, if you're creating a lot of the documents that are pretty similar to each other often, then it might make sense to create a template, and then instead of starting your documents from blank, you can start them from a template. Here we will go to the documents page, and by the way, this is just another way for you to access the documents from all of your matters in a quick way. But now here we're here because of the templates. So there's this button opening the document templates folder, which is just another folder in your OneDrive, but this folder is dedicated to all of the templates that you or your colleagues might want to use. If there's a lot of files and a lot of different templates, then it might make sense to organize them into certain folders like we have here. But it's important to know that all the templates that you add here will be available to everyone else, so it might be in everyone's best interest to keep this well organized. Now that we have some of these templates that I prepared earlier, let's show how we can create a document based on a template and not have to start the document from scratch. So let's go back to our Matter 96, go back to documents, and now instead of creating a blank Word document, I will use one of the templates that I already have. So for example, let's just use this letterhead and say based on a template. The document is easily created once again. However, now we will see that it's not blank. It already has the template information in it. And now it's up to us to change some of these details and finish this document. These templates can be used for Word, Excel, PowerPoint, so feel free to use them for some monthly calculations, to have like a template deck for your company for all of the presentations, so all of them would look the same, or anything else that you might find useful.